Let us now use the pattern feature. Let me create an extrude feature on this plane. I will choose this. I'll use the circle command and create a circle. Finish. I'm going to give the distance as 4 mm, make it 5 mm. Click OK. So this extrude feature is going to be patterned. In order to pattern, select the feature to be patterned. Select on the pattern feature icon. I'm going to select linear. There are other options like circular, polygon, spiral, long, general, and reference. Let us start with the linear. We have to specify the vector or the direction to be patterned in. I am going to select this direction. We have 5. From 5 count, I will convert it into 4 count. Make the distance between each pattern as 8 mm and click OK. As you can see, a patterned